after a dire electoral display in the Lok Sabha polls, cracks have now started to appear in the Mahayuti, with leaders from the Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena being disgruntled with Ajit Pawar's entry and the BJP's behavior towards them. In an exclusive chat with Times Network, senior Shinde Sena leader Ramdas Kadam claimed that the party would have got 14 to 16 seats had their candidate been announced earlier. He has also alleged that the BJP and Shiv Sena would have increased their tally in Maharashtra if key ministries were not given to Ajit's NCP faction ahead of the Lok Sabha elections.
मैं यही कहूँगा, समझने वाले को ही शायद काफ़ी है। अधिक कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, लेकिन ये बात सही है। जैसे भाजपा के कैंडिडेट 2 महीने पहले जाहिर हुए थे, वैसे ही अगर शिवसेना के एकनाथ जी के कैंडिडेट को 2 महीने पहले अगर मिलता था, तो आज 1513 या 14 सीटें अवश्य आती थी।
100 सीट मांगेंगे?
बिल्कुल सही।
100 सीट आपकी?
बिल्कुल सही।
आपने ये भी कहा कि अजीत पवार की एंट्री अगर लेट होती तो सही होता। क्यों आपको ऐसे लगता है?
क्योंकि वो 9 जो मंत्री पद वहाँ उनके पास गए, वो शिवसेना भाजपा को मिलते थे और हमारी ताकत और ज़्यादा बढ़ती थी।
Now remember that the Mahayuti had won 17 out of the 48 Lok Sabha seats in the state, with Ajit Pawar's NCP securing just victory from the Raigad seat. Let me go across to my colleague Abhishek for more on this. Abhishek, what more details do we have? What's the latest political development that is now, of course, being unveiled in the state?
See, we will have to understand one thing, that, clearly all is not well when it comes to the Mahayuti alliance, which was projecting 45 plus, and they have landed around 17 seats together. And it's moreover, BJP is introspecting that why did they lose, and on the other side, their alliance partner are attacking them in this event. Clearly, Ramdas Kadam, who is a veteran leader from the Shinde camp of the Shiv Sena, has lashed out at the BJP for not allowing their candidates to be announced at an early stage that could have benefited them. In fact, he also alleged that whenever the probable names CM would announce, the BJP would stake claim on those seats. In fact, he also criticized the entry of Ajit Pawar. We can clearly hear that, and he said that he could have been delayed and those ministerial posts could have been equally divided between BJP and Shiv Sena, which could have added as a strength for them to contest the polls. But definitely this kind of a statement, and also I want to point out, the Ajit Pawar camp of the NCP has retaliated. They have clearly mentioned that this is not the way we should be treated in alliance within the Mahayuti, and in fact they are also thinking that if such thing continues, whether it would be right to come out of this alliance. So clearly, one side BJP is doing introspection, the alliance partner Shinde Sena is attacking them, and also the Ajit Pawar camp, the NCP, is thinking that it is high time now, whether it is the right time to move out of this alliance. So definitely, all is not well when it comes to Mahayuti. On the other side, MVA is rejoicing their victory of 30 plus seats in this Lok Sabha polls. Back to you.
Right, Abhishek, let's see how this really turns out in the way ahead. But stay with us, Abhishek, as we get our viewers another